Welcome to our channel. Connecting a chest strap heart rate monitor to your Garmin device provides more accurate heart rate data during workouts. Here's how to pair them successfully. Step 1. Install a fresh battery in your chest strap heart rate monitor if it's new or hasn't been used recently. Most use standard coin cell batteries. Step 2. Wet the electrode pads on the back of the chest strap with water or electrode gel. This improves conductivity and ensures accurate readings. Step 3. Wear the chest strap just below your chest muscles with the Garmin logo centered on your body. Adjust the strap so it fits snugly but comfortably. Step 4. On your Garmin device, press the menu button or swipe down from the watch face to access settings. Navigate to Sensors or Settings menu. Step 5. Select Add Sensor or Pair Sensor from the menu options. Your Garmin will begin searching for nearby heart rate monitors. Step 6. Make sure your chest strap is within range, about 3 feet from your Garmin device. The sensor activates when worn and detecting your heart rate. Step 7. Your Garmin will display Heart Rate Monitor with an ID number when it detects the sensor. Select it to begin pairing. Step 8. Wait for the pairing process to complete. Your Garmin will show a confirmation message when successfully connected. Step 9. Start a workout to verify the connection. Your heart rate should appear on the screen within a few seconds. If not, check that the electrodes are wet and the strap is positioned correctly. The chest strap will now automatically connect whenever you start a workout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.